Hey guys, happy Friday. It is Tamika here. I hope you had an amazing week and a great day. Today we're going to do a little bit of cleaning of my family room and I hope it offers some motivation to you. I'll show you how to get a stain out of the carpet using some awesome from the Dollar Tree. So yeah, let's get started. Guys, let me first apologize for the dark room. I so apologize. I tried to open the drapes and the blinds to offer some natural light, but it was a gloomy day, and so I couldn't get the lighting right. So I am so sorry that this video is so dark, but I do hope that this video offers some cleaning motivation for you and some inspiration. But yeah, so again, I'm so sorry. If you're not a subscriber, I still hope you consider subscribing. Um, but yeah, so let's get started with this cleaning. We'll start with the windows and maybe, just maybe, it'll offer a little bit more lighting. Here, I'm just using the Target brand of the window cleaner, and I think it works just as well as a Windex. I heard that you should use vinegar and water to clean the windows. Well, they said vinegar, water, and use a newspaper and to get the cleanest windows, but I'll try that next time. Comment below how you like to clean your space. Do you start from the front to the back, from the back to the front, or do you start from the top to the bottom? I typically start from the top to the bottom, so that's why I usually start with the windows first and then work my way around the room and then finish with the carpet cleaning. Next, we'll clean up this couch. I don't know about you guys, but our couches are so comfortable. So now I need to just pluck these pillows and get them back in order and take those blankets off. As last night we had a movie night, and so we were all snuggle bugging on the couch, relaxing. So yeah, Thursday night is our family fun night. We'll either play a game, or watch a movie, have fun foods, and just hang out. So yeah, I'm just cleaning up. You guys like how I do my blanket fold? It's real easy, real quick. It's easy. All you have to do is just fold it in half twice and then roll. Here I'm just collecting 1,000 little starbursts from last night. First I was trying to put them in my collar because I thought, well, maybe I'll just stick them here and just take them to the candy jar. Then I realized I didn't have enough space in my collar, so let me just go and be smart about it and grab the jar. What they say, work smarter and not harder, right? I'm going to show you my fancy fold again. You gotta go fold in half, and then roll. See how quick and easy that is? Am I the only one that dusts my table with a duster before I polish it? Does anybody else do that with their woods? I'm not, hopefully I'm not the only one doing, I guess, double duty. So comment below and let me know if you polish after dusting, or do you go straight for the polish? figured I would go ahead and dust the pictures on the wall. I don't typically do that. I forget about it, so I'm really bad about dusting those. So now that's all I figured. Let me go ahead and just dust these things because I'm sure it's some buildup. It is my favorite, this orange glow. I love the smell of this stuff, and my table is super shiny when I'm done with it. I love this stuff. I'll put a link to the orange glow polish in the comment section just in case you guys want to give it a try. But I love this stuff. It has that whole room smelling so good and so citrusy. I'm gonna give our homemade bar a wipe down. My husband made this for our media room, and it's really cool because he purchased a dresser from like Goodwill and took the drawers out and then added some sliders, and now we have a bar. It's really cool. So as I was vacuuming, I ran across this stain on my carpet. And so I got this awesome. I heard about it on one of the YouTubers' channel. She was using it to get a stain out. And if you look on the back of the container, it has about 100 different things it will get out of the carpet, including like ink and makeup and all that good stuff, hair dye, you name it. And so I had, looks like, I think a chocolate cake stain from my son's birthday party on the carpet. So I used that awesome and I gave it a quick scrub and it came right out. I didn't even have to work too hard to get it out. I love this stuff. Oh my goodness, it took me forever to set up this chessboard. I don't play, my husband play, my boys play, but I have no idea how to play chess. I tried to learn, I'm not good at it, and I could not figure out how to set the pieces up. I actually had to go on to Google to figure out how to set this chessboard up. Okay, guys, we are all done in the media room, family room slash hangout room is all clean. Thank you guys so much for hanging in there with me. I hope you have an amazing weekend. And thank you so much for your to all my subscribers. And if you're not a subscriber, please consider subscribing and also give me a thumbs up and hit that notification bell so you'll know the next time I upload a video. Thanks, guys, for hanging in there with me. Oh, please share. Please share this video. Thank you. God bless you guys.